Hey everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to be showing you how to reset one of the free designs that comes with Glowforge. So today we're going to use the example of the Glowforge ear saver sheet. Somebody recently asked me in my previous video how to basically reset this if you accidentally delete something in it. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see right here in the center, is the Glowforge ear saver sheet that I have. You can open it. Now if you click this drop down, it'll say delete or rename. As you notice, I'm clicking right here. It will not let you delete this design at all permanently. So with that said, it is impossible to delete this permanently as of right now that I know of. So that's a good sign. Next, to answer the question that somebody gave me, let's go ahead and open this and I'll show you what I mean by resetting this design. So as you can see, you got this entire sheet of these ear savers here. So for example, let's say I click on this this row here. Well, they're all together, so let me click off of it and then you can click on individual ones. So let's say I accidentally delete like this one and this whole row here, and I'll just delete a bunch here. So let's say you just accidentally, somehow miraculously delete all of this stuff, and then it ends up looking like this. Obviously you can't use these because none of them are correct at this point. And then you want to go back. So obviously you can do the undo button if you're still in here, but that won't work if you exit out, go to the home screen, and then you open it back up. So usually, yeah, see, it picks up right where you left off. So as you can tell, this is completely messed up at this point, and you can't do undo anymore. You see how I'm clicking undo? You can't undo this. So to reset this, to answer the question that I received here, all you got to do is click these three dots, go down to design details, and then click reset design. It'll render your design again, and boom, you're back to normal. That's all you need to do. You can go ahead and then hide your design details, and you can exit out of this. And that's pretty much it. And then if you don't like the redone design, you can just click undo to go back to how you had it up when it was all messed up if you did do something custom to it. Or you can click redo at that point. And that's it. It's set back to normal. That is how you do it. So one more time for overview. Three dots, design details, reset design. That's pretty much it. I hope that answers your question, and I hope this helps somebody out. So we'll catch you guys next time.